If you've ever tried tightening a bolt with the wrong hex key, you already know the frustration. Stripped screws, slipping tools, and wasted time. The truth is, not all hex key sets are created equal, and picking the wrong one can make even a simple job feel impossible. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best hex key sets you can buy right now. Whether you're a DIYer, a bike enthusiast, or someone who just wants reliable tools at home, this list will help you find the perfect set for your needs. Stick around because this list has a hex key set for everyone. And make sure you hit that subscribe button for more tool reviews and tips to help you in your DIY journey. Also, check the Amazon links in the description below to find the best deals on the hex key sets I'm featuring in this list. Kicking things off at number 5, we've got the Kraftek Toolant Folding Hex Key Set, and this one is all about convenience. Looking at the design, everything is packed into one compact folding tool, which means no more digging through drawers trying to find the right size. Based on what most users report, this is especially handy for quick fixes and on-the-go projects. You're getting both metric and SAE sizes, so it covers a wide range of applications, from furniture assembly to basic bike repairs. The CRV steel construction also means it holds up well under moderate torque. Now, in real-world use, this isn't the set you grab for heavy-duty mechanical work. But for casual DIY tasks or keeping in your car or backpack, it does the job really well. This is best for beginners, homeowners, or anyone who values portability over maximum torque. Coming in at number 4, we step things up with the Toolant Ball End Hex Key Set. What makes this one stand out immediately is the ball end design, which allows you to work at angles, something that becomes incredibly useful in tight or awkward spaces. Compared to standard hex keys, this gives you way more flexibility. Looking at the specs and performance, the long arm design provides better leverage, making it easier to loosen stubborn bolts. Users often mention that the grip and torque feel noticeably improved over smaller folding sets. You also get a full 26-piece set, which is impressive at this price point. That means fewer situations where you're stuck without the right size. The only downside? It's not as compact as folding sets, so storage matters here. This is perfect for people working on bikes, cars, or furniture where access angles really matter. Right in the middle at number 3, we have the Klein Tools Compact Folding Set, and this one is built for serious versatility. What really stands out here is the sheer number of tools packed into a compact format. You're not just getting hex keys, you also get torque sizes, which makes this a multi-purpose tool for different kinds of fasteners. Based on what most users report, the 270-degree range of motion is a big deal. It gives you flexibility while still maintaining control, especially in tight spaces. The reinforced handle and rust-resistant steel blades also give it a premium feel compared to basic folding sets. That said, because it's a compact multi-tool style, it may not provide the same torque as long-arm individual keys. This is best suited for technicians, electricians, or anyone who needs one tool that can handle multiple fastener types without carrying a full kit. Now stepping into the runner-up spot, at number 2 we've got the Mutt Tools 17-piece folding set, and this one strikes a really nice balance between portability and performance. Compared to other folding sets, this one feels more refined. The color-coded system makes it easier to identify sizes quickly, which might seem small, but it saves a lot of time during projects. Looking at real-world use, the heat-treated steel construction gives it solid durability, and users often mention that it handles higher torque better than most folding designs. It also covers both metric and SAE sizes, making it versatile enough for everything from bike maintenance to home repairs. The only trade-off is that, like most folding tools, it still won't match the raw leverage of long-arm keys. This is ideal for DIYers who want a reliable, all-in-one solution without stepping into bulky toolkits. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have the Wera Tools Long Arm Hex Key Set. This is where performance really takes center stage. What makes this set stand out is the Hex Plus design, which helps reduce wear on screws and prevents rounding. That's a huge deal if you've ever stripped a bolt. The long arm design gives you maximum torque, and the ballpoint end allows angled access without sacrificing too much strength. Compared to other options in this category, the build quality here is clearly premium. The color-coded sleeves also make size identification quick and easy, even in low-light conditions. In real-world use, this is the kind of set professionals trust. Mechanics, engineers, and serious DIYers who need reliability every single time. The only downside? It's not the most compact option, but that's the trade-off for top-tier performance. So, which one should you choose? If you want something compact and portable, go for one of the folding sets like the Kraftek or Mutt tools. But if you're after maximum performance and durability, the Wera set is easily the best investment. No matter which one you pick, all the links are in the description below. So check them out for the latest deals on Amazon. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and buying guides just like this. Also, leave a comment telling me what you think about these Hex Key sets. Let me know the one you think I might have missed out in this list. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.